Yes, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in SBI Clerk 2023. In this question, two equations are given, equation 1 and equation 2, and we need to find if one of the roots of the given equation is taken from the both the equation. Means we need to take one root from this equation and one root from this equation, and then we need to find the equation. And this equation, when we find the equation by taking root from this equation and this equation, it should be one of these. If it is there, it will be our answer. Means we need to find the roots of first equation, then roots of second equation, and we need to take one root from first equation and one root from second equation, and we need to, after that, after taking that root, we need to form a quadratic equation, and it should match with this one of the equation, and whichever is matches, that is our answer. Now solve first equation. First equation is x square minus 12x plus 32. X square minus 12x plus 32. This is our first equation. So here 32 is given. So we need to find two numbers such that their product should be 32 and their addition should be minus 12x. So such two numbers we can find. It is 8 and 4. So 8 into 4 is 32 and addition will be 8 plus 4 is 12. But here it is minus sign. So it will be minus 8x minus 4x. Okay, usually in quadratic equation, one thing we will observe, whenever we find these two numbers, right, this will be the root, but their signs will be reverse. If we are getting here minus 8, minus 4 equal to minus 12x, minus 8 into minus 4 is plus 32. So usually root will be these two numbers, but their sign will be reversed. Right? And if it is in here coefficient, we need to divide coefficient. Since here coefficient is 1, so if we divide by 1, we will get the same. So usually root will be these two. So here it is minus, so root will be plus 8 and here root will be plus 4. When we solve this, we will get the plus 8 plus 4 because these two numbers will be root. Usually in quadratic equation that we can observe. So x square minus 8x minus 4x plus 32. So here we can take common x minus 8 and here minus 4 x minus 8. So here x minus 8 is common and x minus 4 we can take. So usually x minus 8 equal to 0. So two terms we will equate to 0. So x will be 8 and x will be 4. So roots of first equations are 8 and 4. So here it is minus 8 minus 4. So roots will be plus 8 plus 4. So we have found the root of first equation which is 8 and 4. So now similarly we will follow for second equation, x square minus 26x plus 169. So this is for first equation, and now we can solve for second equation, x square minus 26 plus 169. Here 169. So we need to find the two numbers for which addition is minus 26 and their multiplication should be 169. So usually we can observe this is root number. So 13 square is 169. So we can write here minus 13 minus 13. So 13 square is 169. So 26 will come minus 13 minus 13 26. So what will be the root in this case? Here minus 13 minus 13. So roots will be plus 13 and plus 13. So usually we can observe roots will be usually these number only, but sign will be reversed. So we will solve this and we will get the same. X square minus 13x minus 13x plus 169. Minus 13 into minus 13 160 because minus minus plus. So in this we will solve this x equal to x minus 13, and if you take here minus 13 common, it will be x minus 13. So x minus 13, x minus 13. So it is same only. So x minus 13 square equal to 0. So value of x will be 13. So we can write two times, but it is same only. So here plus minus 30 minus 13. So roots are plus 13 plus 13. But in equation what they have given, if one of the roots of the given equation is taken from both the equation, then new equation. So we need to take one root from this equation and one root from this equation, and we need to form a quadratic equation. Then whichever is will be coming, it is our answer. If no, then it will come. So here one root we will take from here and one root we will take from here. So 8 and 13. So here we will write equation x minus 8, x minus 13. Since we need to form a equation by taking one root from first equation and one root from second equation, so we are taking combination 8 here only two combination can be formed, 8 13, 8 and 13 and 4 and 13, only that combination will be formed. 13 8 and 8 13 are equal only in quadratic equation. So here why taking minus 8? Because if in equation it is minus, then root will be plus. If it is in equation it is minus, then root will be plus. So in equation what it is? Minus, so root will be plus. So we have taken roots as 8 and 13. So in equation it will be minus. This is for 8 and 13. Here plus and plus 13. So in equation it will be x minus 8, x plus 13. So we can solve this. So you have understood it. Means if it is roots are plus, then in equation it will be minus. If in equation plus, here it will be minus. So x into x is x square. X into minus 13x is minus 13x minus 8x. 13 into 8 is 104. 0. So equation will be from x square minus 21x plus 104. So this is formed for x plus 8 and 13. So we can check x square minus 21x plus 104. It is there, it's not there, it is there, it is not there, because here it is minus and here it is plus. So for 8 and 13 is done. So now 4 and 13. One root from, we have taken 4 from first equation and 13 from second equation. So it will be x minus 4, x minus 13. Since here it is plus, here we will take minus. If roots are plus, in equation it will be minus. So here it we can solve. X into x is x square minus 13x. So minus 4 into x is minus 4x minus minus plus 52. So x square 13 plus 4 is 17x plus 52. So these two equations are formed by taking one root from this equation and one root from this equation. So we can check whether this is available in options x square minus 17x plus 52. So it is available. So x square minus 17x plus 52, it is available. For this equation is not available. So our answer will be x square minus 17x plus 52. So this is the way to solve. Thank you guys.